Well, greetings, Moody historical geographers and historical geographettes. We are moving into week 3 of the course, and with historical geography of ancient Israel soon well in hand, you will be ready for ever more serious study and rewarding reflection of any part of the Bible, though not all at once, of course. But before we move on to those items, a word from Paul Harvey. I'm dating myself here. Page 1. You've got your devotional thought here from Genesis 12. Read through that. I trust it'll be an encouragement, a blessing to you. And now, as Paul Harvey would say, page 2. And here we have your week's work. Your objectives this week are to gain a familiarity with the historical, geographical, and geological characteristics of the land of Israel utilizing Google Earth software program, so you'll be working more with that. You want to evaluate known natural phenomena with the Bible text as found in Joshua 13. Your reading, viewing, and report requirements include your class notes, your textbook, and so on. Be sure to realize that all class notes, videos, and KMZ files are located in your Lesson 3 resources folder, so they're all there for you. We want you to watch the instructor introductory video 3-1, the online class example KMZ file 3-11 using Google Earth, showing how attention to geographical imagery from the Negev to help us understand the actions of Abraham and Isaac. And then we want you to read in the class notes, pages 1 through 13, 1 to 3 on the Negev, Midbar, Wilderness, and watch files 3.2, 3.3, and 3.4. Then you want to read pages 4 through 8 on the Jordan Valley and watch the KMZ files 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, and 3.8. You want to read pages 8 through 11 on the Transjordan and watch files 3.9 to 3.10 and pages 12 and 13 for lesson review. And you want to read in Weitzel pages 49 through 55, that is in the new Moody Atlas of the Bible. Those pages cover the Jordan Rift Valley. And make sure you do all your reading and other assignments before jumping into the discussion board. But your discussion board, this question has to do with does the fact of the Jordan River lying at the northern end of the Rift Valley validate the crossing of the Jordan River on dry ground, as related in Joshua 13:7 through 17? Or do you feel a separate miracle not explained by natural event accounts for this event? Why or why not? Be sure you answer the question completely, not just a yes or no, but you've got to explain yourself as the why or why not suggests. Now make sure you complete your week's content explanations before you participate in the discussion. Make sure you add a thread to the forum and post your initial response to the discussion topic by midweek. That means Friday by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, so that you and your pairs can read and respond to at least 2 classmates' initial responses by the end of the week. That is on Monday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. All that unless otherwise directed by the syllabus schedule or yours truly. Now we want you to spend an hour or so experimenting with Google Earth again, so follow through on that. I have responded, I believe, to all of your initial introductions this past week. And if I'm correct, we have a pretty great, somewhat intimate group. And I expect I'll see some really good inter-student fellowship being generated as well. Do check back occasionally, as a couple folks are looking a little lonely with only maybe one reply or maybe no replies yet. So do check that out. And be sure to familiarize yourselves with and access the other forums and community posts. This is where we can really help one another. Synergy is a real support. And do not let my punny post deceive you. Grades will be grades. I will be grading your first discussion board posts again this week. And once I'm over the jet lag, I will be making some early responses to your discussion board entries in future weeks. I'm really looking forward to reviewing your work. These are truly substantive issues in biblical studies. So again, I look forward to what you have written and bantered about between yourselves. Also, when it comes to discussion boards, it is best, again, to post early in the academic week so that others have time to respond to your posts. And be sure to see my email and announcement sent and posted earlier for the specifics on your replies. And as I indicated there, make your initial discussion board post no later than Friday night, and then respond to at least 2 of your peers by the following Monday night. Well, there you have it, another week's announcement and email alert. Do the hard work and invest well now so that you can reap the benefits of a job well done later. And please, as I have said before, don't hesitate to contact me if there's a need or questions. Oh, and do check out the attachment. You will notice my contacts here are in Israel. I'm now here in Rishon LeZion, about 7 miles southeast of Tel Aviv. And you can reach me by FaceTime or Skype. And the information is located down at the bottom below my signature, if you would. And now I want to just walk out to the balcony or patio of the apartment I'm in and let you see a little bit of Israel. Notice the background to me now as I walk through the apartment. That's my study, bedroom back there. There's a bath and a half here. I'm now walking through the large dining room, living room, kitchen area, and then coming to the patio doorway. And I'm turning now so that you can see what I see. And you're looking due east off the patio out toward the Mediterranean Sea. You can't quite see it, but I can just barely see the Mediterranean Sea out there meeting the horizon. And then down here to the south, that's the highway, and you're looking due south now. And then as I turn around, again due east, and now you're looking north up the road. Here, let me get it up where you can see it again. That's north, that's east, and then again there's south. So I'll be trying to give you more pictures each week, hopefully, and hopefully different areas as we go through the course. Unlikely I'll be able to coordinate them nicely with the areas we're studying necessarily, but at least you'll see some of the actual sites, I trust, and some of the terrain of Israel. Well, that's it for this week. God bless, and look forward to your work.